Hey everybody, hope you had a great weekend. This is our weekly market update and we'll let you know what's going on. A lot of people are on vacation, so the market is holding steady with some activity, but not as much as you would anticipate, but I would think normal for August. So 12 active right now in Ringwood, 21 under contract, and 46 sold since the beginning of the year. In Wanaque, we have 14 active, 23 under contract, and 82 sold since the beginning of the year. In fact, we just sold another over 55 condo at the Wanaque Reserve with people that we've been working with for a while, so that's great news. In West Milford, there are 64 active, 59 under contract, and 169 sold since the beginning of the year. And Bergen County, Oakland, just down Skyline Drive, has 19 active, 23 under contract, and 44 sold. So they are catching up even though they had a slow start to the year. So if you're looking to buy, it's a great time because you probably have less competition right now with multiple offers. And if you're looking to sell, as you can see, the inventory is still low, so it is still a good time to sell. Give me a call either way.